In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cumulative sum on a Power BI line chart, a powerful way to visualize data over time and easily grasp trends and changes. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening Power BI. If you haven't already got it installed, you can download the latest version from the Microsoft website, ensuring you're equipped with all the latest features. Once open, Power BI presents a clean, intuitive interface that eases the process of jumping right into data analysis. With Power BI loaded, the next crucial step is to prepare your data. The quality and structure of your data are often the make or break factor in creating insightful visualizations. Ideally, your dataset should include the necessary time-based metrics you wish to analyze cumulatively. This could be an Excel file or data you're importing from a database. Make sure it's ready and correctly formatted. Now, when you've got your data ready, it's time to proceed to the Modeling tab, which is your go-to section for creating calculated columns and tables. Make sure your data is properly loaded into Power BI, then click on New Table. This will allow you to transform your raw data into a form that's usable in visualizations. In this new table, you'll need to enter a formula that facilitates the calculations for your cumulative sum. Typically, you'd use DAX, which stands for Data Analysis Expressions, a library of functions and operators that can be combined to build formulas and expressions in Power BI. DAX can seem daunting at first, but it's a very powerful tool once you get the hang of it. You'll want to create a formula that sums up your data cumulatively over the time period you're analyzing. To give you an overview, a simple example of such a formula in DAX might look something like this. Cumulative total sales equal calculate sum sales amount. Filter all selected sales, sales date, a max sales date. Here, this command essentially sums up the sales amounts up until the current date, cumulatively aggregating the data month over month or year over year based on your data setup. Once you've defined your formula, Power BI will process it and add this new calculated field to your dataset. Congratulations, you've set up a cumulative sum measure. The last step is to visualize this new data with a line chart. In the Visualizations pane, select the line chart icon and set your time-based data as the axis and your cumulative sum measure as the values. Just like that, you will have a fully functioning line chart that represents your data as a cumulative sum over the chosen time period. This will give you powerful insights into trends and overall performance at a glance. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create a cumulative sum on a Power BI line chart. With just these few steps, you've unlocked a new layer of analysis,